Making important healthcare decisions for yourself or a loved one can be overwhelming. A healthcare proxy form ensures your medical wishes are honored if you're unable to communicate them. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fill out a healthcare proxy form step by step. A healthcare proxy is a legal document that allows you to appoint someone you trust to make medical decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. This person is called your healthcare agent. Let's go through the steps to complete this form. Step 1. Obtain the form. First, get a copy of your state's healthcare proxy form. You can find it online or request one from your doctor or hospital. Step 2. Choose your healthcare agent. Choose someone who understands your values and can make decisions in line with your wishes. This is usually a spouse, family member, or a close friend. Step 3. Fill in personal information. Enter your full name, date of birth, and contact details at the top of the form. Step 4. Name your healthcare agent. Write the full name and contact information of your chosen agent. Some forms allow you to name an alternate agent in case your first choice is unavailable. Step 5. Specify your wishes. You can provide specific instructions about treatments you do or do not want. This section is optional, but it helps guide your agent in making decisions. Step 6. Sign and date the form. Sign and date the form in the presence of 2 witnesses. The witnesses should also sign and date it, verifying that you completed it willingly. Step 7. Store and share your form. Keep the original in a safe but accessible place. Give copies to your healthcare agent, doctor, and close family members. For more information on choosing a healthcare proxy and answers to most asked questions, visit the website National Institute on Aging at nia.nih.gov. Taking a few minutes to complete a healthcare proxy form gives you and your loved ones peace of mind. If you have any questions, consider consulting a healthcare professional or legal expert. Thanks for watching, and take care.